so I can make this appeal or give you the information. We can pray with us and for us, and together we shall wait. Teach us, Lord, how to wait. My contact phone number is English code 843-701-5053. Used to sing a song years ago. Oh, my loving brother, when this world is on fire, you're going to want God's bosom to be your pillow. The world is on fire, people. The fiery wars of the fire. Terrorism is shipping across America. Violence is covering every part of our society. And pride and arrogance is covering our leaders, just like their father, the devil. Pride go before destruction, and a haughty spirit before a fall. The fall is in its way. It's on its way. This is Brother Stair. God bless you, and thank you for listening, and let me hear from you today.
The aggressor.
This is it.